Water pump removal. Deutz engine.
So we got a water pump right there. And you can see how loose it is. Bolts of the casting came on. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Here we got it from this angle. Look at that. Goddamn, almost damn near hitting the bottom. Oh my God. So we went ahead and drained it off. We bring our hand to my cave. Pushing back the cooling tube. Air out. Anything that's attached to my pump right here. Go ahead and pull all that off. Oh, we got 4 bolts that are holding this thing in here together. Nice little quarter. Put your hand right in between there. Bam! Start to spin, baby. Off that ratchet. Bam. Last but not least, alright boys, now we can go ahead and take our bolts off. Pull our pulley down. Belt. Coolant sensor, move it out the way. We're gonna drop our alternator, move it out the way so we can see this a little better. There you go. There you go. We're almost there. Last but not least, got that lip right there. Bam! Just like that. Just like that. We're gonna make it. You got that.